Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will listen to a dialogue between two people who met at the laundromat. We will also learn vocabulary words related to doing laundry. Please listen, repeat after me, and focus on the pronunciation.
Connections at the laundromat. In a small, cozy laundromat with a few people busy with their laundry, Lily is loading her clothes into a washing machine when Ben enters, carrying a basket full of laundry.
Do you need a hand with dragging your basket?
Oh, thanks, but I've got it. Just didn't realize how heavy this basket was.
I know the feeling. Those clothes seem to multiply when you're not looking.
Exactly.
First time here.
No, I come here every week. It's kind of my Sunday routine. You?
First time. I usually do laundry at home, but the machine broke down.
Ah, the old broken washer dilemma. Welcome to the laundromat life.
It's not too bad here, actually. Kind of peaceful.
Yeah, I like it. Plus, it gives me a chance to catch up on reading or just zone out.
What are you reading?
It's a mystery novel. I'm a bit of a bookworm.
That's cool. I'm more of a movie person, but I should read more. Any recommendations?
If you like suspense, you'd probably enjoy this one. Keeps you guessing till the end.
I might have to give it a try. So, do you usually stay here the whole time or?
Yeah, I like to stay close to my stuff. Plus, it's a good excuse to relax.
Makes sense. I guess I'll be sticking around then. Any tips for a laundromat newbie?
Well, make sure you don't overload the machines, and keep an eye on the time. People can get impatient if you leave your clothes in too long.
Got it. Thanks for the advice. I'm Ben, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Ben. I'm Lily.
Nice to meet you too, Lily. Maybe I'll see you around here again?
Maybe. Laundromats do seem to bring people together.
I guess so. Well, I'll be over there. Trying not to mess up my laundry.
Good luck. And if you need help, you know where to find me.
Thanks, Lily. I'll keep that in mind.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.